Hi everyone. I'm reviewing another 3D resin printed garage kit. Again, it's going to be Frieren in this pose. So this is the completed model, what it's supposed to look like. And the company is from MyAnimate. And the printer I went with is FigureAtelier. So this is printed in the 16K resolution at 0.5 millimeters layer height, and the resin is MSLA resin. It's an ASB like photopolymer resin. These I'm not really sure what the difference is between the different resin types. But you could see like that there's two different color resins. One is black and one is gray. The other kits that I got so far, they're all using this gray resin. So this is the first one I got that uses this darker colored black resin. All the details are really sharp. You don't see any layer lines. The part fit is really good on this kit. There's minimal gap filling. Everything just fits together nicely. There's nice part breakdown. So here you could just see all the parts laid out. I actually wanted to try not to get too many kits of the same character, but I already have two of Frieren. It's just hard sometimes because you like certain things of one kit, but then you like the other kit, so you end up with like 10 of the same character. This one I really liked. This one I consider more of a static pose because even though like there's wind in the hair, she's still standing still. She's looking directly at you. Where the other one that I reviewed first, she's kind of like off to the side, not standing normally, so you could feel like she's in mid pose, like turning around, something like that. So I really like this one. The face is really nice. Everything's really nice about it. I think it's like picture perfect to capture her character. I went with the 1/8 scale for this size kit again. I'm trying not to get too large of figures because I have very limited display space. So this one is about 8 inches tall. The other kit that was also 1/8 is about like 8.5 inches. So, there's slight variability between scales between different artists, but they're both considered 1/8 scale. Here's a close-up of the face, like putting the hair together, seeing how it looks. Being that it's the resin's a little bit darker, you can't really see like the eyes as well, but you could tell it's sculpted really nicely. Here the bangs are separate, and there's no like second head that has the bangs together like my other kit. So here's the staff piece. It's in two parts, and actually this is probably going to be the most challenging part of this kit because there's no keys. It's just two flat halves. So to glue it together, to glue it straight, to make sure it's a strong joint, those things are going to be a little bit more challenging. So definitely I would put a pin between the two halves and hopefully it holds. Underneath you could see where the support parts were, but luckily it's underneath and it's not part of where the detailing is when you look at it, and it's also underneath the skirt as well. Okay, and now there's all these little parts that go on the base. I'm not really sure exactly where they all go without looking at a picture, but this is something I'm definitely going to glue together before painting it and priming it. Here I'm just showing the other head from the other kit. You could see it's slightly bigger